Finding pockets of time to study. Pockets of time are the short 10 to 20 minute moments of the day that we may spend waiting, travelling, or doing chores. Make a list of the pockets of time in your day. For instance, taking the bus to work, 15 minutes. Waiting for a meeting to start, 5 minutes. Cooking dinner, 25 minutes. These short pockets of time become more significant when totalled across the week. Next, break down your study into short tasks. For instance, reading an online article, 15 minutes. Searching key terms for a new topic, 5 minutes. Listening to a lecture, 25 minutes. Can you see how some of your tasks might fit into your daily pockets of time? Try using these hidden in-between moments to study. Challenge yourself to cross things off your task list every day and maximise your study time.
Get more from the Open University. Check out the links on screen now.